Hello students, welcome to Writer's Workshop. We've been working on our teaching books and asking ourselves, how can I teach my readers? Last time we learned about how we can write in twin sentences. Remember, that's when you write a sentence. Maybe the sentence has a tricky science word, maybe the sentence has a new idea, and right away in the next sentence you explain it. For example, bats are nocturnal. Nocturnal means being active at night. So right away you explain. It's like two sentences together, twins. Today, we are going to do something quite different. We are going to look at the book we've been reading in Reader's Workshop, Sharks. And we're going to ask ourselves, how are the pictures, how are the illustrations in an information book different than in a picture book? What are some of the special things information book authors use in their pictures to give their pictures more teaching power? So let's take a closer look. I noticed that in this picture, there's the shark, but notice there's also arrows and captions and labels. Okay, so it's like the picture is set up to explain what it's teaching about. It's teaching about how sharks have these different body parts, like the fins are a certain way, the teeth and mouth are a certain way, and the author uses their illustrations to show that. Here's something else. Sometimes the pictures zoom in and there is a close-up to show you something special. This is about shark skin. Shark skin feels bumpy and rough. It's hard like sandpaper. It protects sharks and helps them swim faster. So the close-up zooming in helps us learn more about the shark body parts. On this page again, I see some arrows. I see labels. I see a caption explaining more about the information in the picture. Now I want to show you an example from some student writing. We're back to the book about lions, and on the second page, notice this page is all about their claws and their paws, and the student used labels, arrows, and close-ups, close-up fur, close-up claw, to teach the reader more about the body parts of the lion. On this page, which is about manes, same thing. The student used labels, arrows, look, female, male, mane, labels and arrows, and a close-up of the mane. You could do this in your book too. And on the last page, even again, this page was about hunting, and it shows female lion hunting with an arrow. That's the caption explaining it. It shows, oh look, there's even a speech bubble. And look, here's a close-up. This is showing the blood from the prey. Kind of yucky, huh? But still, it makes the picture exciting and teaches you about how the lion is hunting its prey. So today, I want you to go back to the illustrations, to the pictures in your teaching book, and ask yourself if you've really included enough information to teach, or what could you add? Could you add some close-up pictures, like a zoom in? We've been calling it close-up, they call it zoom in. Could you add captions or labels, arrows? What different things could you add to your illustrations to teach your students more about your topic? Off to your writing.